everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a green smoothie. I've done a green smoothie before, but not like this. This is a different green smoothie. It's still green. It's spinach and banana. Really tasty, very, very healthy, that's for sure. So yeah, stick with me, stay tuned, and I'll show you how I do it. I'm going to be using these ingredients here. Obviously I'm going to need this spinach. Half of this lemon, the juice of half of this lemon that is. One large ripe banana. And some of this, it's Manuka honey. Very, very healthy indeed. Check it out. Look it up on YouTube, I suppose. Anyway, gonna need some water as well. So let's carry on.
Now into my food processor that I've got here, I'm going to pop in 2 large handfuls of this very fresh, cleaned and washed spinach. Baby spinach this is. As you can see, I've got very big hands, but if you want to measure it out, I've put in about 2 cupfuls and make sure to press the leaves down in the cup. Now I'm going to add a banana because we want some sweetness, a bit of extra flavour. So I'm going to put in 1 whole banana. Oh, and that one that tried to get away, that little piece there. 1 whole glass of water. Now you can use milk, you can use coconut milk. It's entirely up to you. It will be delicious whatever you use. And then with this lovely Manuka honey. So tasty, so healthy, so expensive. 1 teaspoon, that's all I can afford to put in. I'm going to lick that spoon. Now, on with a strainer, because I'm going to put a bit of sharpness in. I've got the juice of half a fresh lemon going in there. There we go. Using my little lemon squeezer that I've got. Take off the strainer, put it to one side and pop on the lid. Now we're off. Start to whiz. For about 2 minutes, and then you end up with this. Doesn't that look lovely? What a beautiful colour. So much health. I'm going to feel so much better after drinking this, that's for sure. Go on, get it down your son.
Wow, that is so tasty, guys. Honestly, I'm not kidding. I mean, it might not look the best, but it surely does taste good. Please try this for yourself. It's dead easy, it's healthy, it's got to be good for you. All that lovely stuff in there, those good ingredients. So yeah, thanks for watching this latest video of mine. Hope that you've enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed, please consider doing so, and then you'll see all my future videos and any that I've done before. Don't forget, give me a like, give me a share, that'd be great. See you all again next time, and bye for now.